Welcome to today. What day is it of the year? Well, the 1st of April is the 91st day of the year. There are 274 days to go. Time, energy, cross. What I'm going to be doing in this video today is dividing up our zodiac. And here is how we divide up the zodiac. It looks a little bit like this. Why I've colored the letters, okay, is because the multiplication of the value of the single letters is going to equal to 3, 6, or 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 and 1 is 3. And 3 times, where is it? Where is the P? And here's the only P. 3 times 16 is 48. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. The purple, 3 by 5 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. N is the 14th letter. 1 and 4 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 and 4 is 6. And the R and the U and the I is all 9. So if you take a look, every single zodiac sign except for one, Leo, does not have the R or the I, and that's the birth in the sun. I and R, 36, 7 by 7 at the gateway. It does not have it. Is it because Leo is the gateway? What is the question? The 5 and the 15th letter. In Mars is the E world. These two letters, right, you put them together, it says Le. It's also a total of 17 gate. This is the 12th letter, 3, 5, and 6, 365 days. So we have to understand this one. It also doesn't have an A in it. Most of the letters have A and R. They have I, A, C, E inside of this one. There's a division inside of this one, the Cancer. We have, here is, which one is this? This is Virgo. I and R are both in this one. Where I and R is not, there is no I and R in Leo. There is no I in Cancer, but there is an R. There is no R in Gemini, but there is an I. And in Taurus, there's an R. Now, the total value count, okay, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Air is 1, running by the cycle of the moon. Fire is running by gold. Gold, creation of the heavens in gold. Water runs with the half-life, spirit of 76, between two worlds. Earth does not run on the weekend, so it does not run on the day of rest. It connects the weekend together. Here is your Earth. 7-4 energy time. 4-2 is your gateway. 1-2 is your creation, where the 8 and the 7 come together in the void. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move over to Aquarius and Pisces. They show me a gateway. Here's the gateway on Earth. Here is your birth at the gate, Capricorn. Cancer shows me the division between night and day. 3, 6, 7, and 14 is 21 and 18. Let me do this again. 3, 4, 18, 21, and 23. 44, it will create a division of night and day, and it's also created by the numeric value of 84, Pluto. Here's another gateway. So Virgo, Pisces, and Aquarius all have something in common. Scorpio has something in common with water. It also hooks up to the planet of Neptune. Sagittarius hooks up to the day. 12 by 12 is the day. 4, 4, and 9. So then if we break down each one of these, we're going to come up with 8, 8. And if we look at the deck of cards, the Queen has 8s, the King has 7. Here we're going to get 1, 3, 8, 5, 8, 6. Libra's in the half-life between two worlds. Scorpio's 5, and this one is 9. I'm trying to think. Oh, yes. So now what we're going to do is the 107, there's now black and there's red. So we're going to look at Q is a black letter. All the other ones in here are red. So we're going to go 90 and 17. That would be our birth, and that would be January. Inside of here, everything is red. Inside of this one over here, red. Inside of Taurus, T is black, so Taurus becomes 80 or 420, so Taurus gets divided in 4 parts, and 20. In Gemini, we have M is red, so we have 44 for the division of area space in the moon. Aries, the division between night and day. 4 times 4, 4 plus 4, 8 and 16. Cancer, inside of Cancer, we have all red. Inside of Leo, we have 15 and 17. There's another Whoop, backwards. We have another gate. The O shows up, AE in Mars. In Virgo, we have 22, so we have 49. It's going to stand for green and 8, and 22. Oh, let me do that again. Made a mistake. I am wrong. The V and O both together, right? And you're going to get your word love out of this one. Where I go, you go, the ego, Virgo. We're going to end up with 37 and 34. Looks like cold blue. Cold and blue fit into this word over here. Libra sticks in with 2 over here, so we have 40 blue, the word blue. Here we have blue because when you have the word cold 34, usually cold goes with blue. And here we're going to have 2. Inside of Scorpio, it's going to be all red. And inside of Sagittarius, right, it's going to be 40. We're going to take off 40, so it's 104. 10-4 Roger communication, 2 times Earth, 2 times 52, 4 times 26 the alphabet. 104 and 40 standing for area space in the day. And we always have to remember that there's cycles to be run. I'm not done this. 6 minutes or 60 seconds creates 360. But we know there's 4 times 360 for 1,440 minutes in a day. We know that there's 168 hours in a week. So we also have to calculate how to put all of these numbers inside the days, the weeks, the months, and the years. Here is it in seconds. And here's another piece. 3 o'clock or 1,500 hours. 9 o'clock or 2,100 hours. 3 and 6, 9 and 3, 6 and 3, 3 and 6. Time-wise, the 18th hour is 9, the 30th minute. The 45th minute, the 15th minute. Then we can go in seconds and calculate that. Also noted that we have the spear pointed out, that if we cut the area half space, we show a champagne glass. This is going to fit into something to do with Fibonacci. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.